5 seconds. The appellant company contended that a part of cause of action had arisen within the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. The appellant company for such submission relied on the following facts. The appellant company has its registered and corporate office at Chandigarh. The appellant company carries on business at Chandigarh. The offer of the appellant company was accepted on February 20, 2004 and the acceptance was communicated to it at Chandigarh. It was therefore submitted that at least a part of cause of action had certainly arisen within the territorial jurisdiction of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana, and hence it had jurisdiction to entertain the petition. It was therefore submitted that the impugned order passed by the High Court deserves to be set aside by directing the court to decide the writ petition on merits. The respondents, on the other hand, submitted that neither of the above facts nor circumstances can be said to be a part of cause of action investing jurisdiction in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. According to the respondents, all substantial, material, and integral facts constituting a cause of action were within the territory of the state of Sikkim, and hence the High Court of Punjab and Haryana was fully justified in holding that it had no territorial jurisdiction to entertain, deal with, and decide the list between the parties. In Union of India and ORS versus Oswal Woolen Mills Limited and ORS 1984-3 SCR 342 AIR 1984 SC 1264, the registered office of the company was situated at Ludhiana, but a petition was filed in the High Court of Calcutta on the ground that the company had its branch office there. The order was challenged by the Union of India, and this court held that since the registered office of the company was at Ludhiana and the principal respondents against whom primary relief was sought were at New Delhi, one would have expected the writ petitioner to approach either the High Court of Punjab and Haryana or the High Court of Delhi. The forum chosen by the writ petitioners could not be said to be in accordance with law, and the High Court of Calcutta could not have entertained the writ petition.